Hey guys, this is Gage. We've had some pretty exciting stuff happening here at Ceramic Coat Texas. Not only have we had a host of beautiful vehicles come in and out of our shop, but we've got some pretty exciting renovations happening as well. Check this out. It's going to be a new space, fully climate controlled with a new AC unit, new lights, air filtration. It's going to be awesome. We've also got some new faces here on the Ceramic Coat Texas team. The team here has been working with some really incredible vehicles. We've had not one, but two Ferraris here in our shop this week. We fully ceramic coated this beautiful maroon Ferrari 599, and now we currently have this stunning Ferrari 458 in the shop. This project, we're going to remove the old paint protection film, and we'll be installing brand new film to help keep this supercar looking great. We've also had so many cars come in, everything from a Ford Maverick, Corvette C8, BMW X5. Man, it's been a full house, but we're ready for more. We cannot wait to welcome everyone to our shop once the renovations are complete. And if you're interested in scheduling a service, you can go to ceramiccoattexas.com to get in touch with our team.